Hello you guys and good morning. Today is Saturday and I'm just rolling out of bed. I laid in bed for a very long time and it's time to get up. I'm actually going to be watching my sister for a couple of hours and I think they're like on their way here. So that's kind of why I needed to get up. But it's funny because yesterday I was like, okay, I just like cleaned this house. Like I just like want to have somebody over. Like I just want to like host someone in the house that I just cleaned. But I didn't have anyone to invite over. So I didn't. But now I have Harper, so now I have like someone to like take care of in my house. But I'm gonna quickly wash my face, brush my teeth, and get dressed before they get here. I got more packages, y'all. Obviously, they're not all for me. Harper is here and she has new shoes, so I'll show you guys those in a second, but I'm gonna open up these boxes. This is actually not mine, this is my stepdad's. It's just a silicone ring because he lost his other one. This is mine. I got some sanding sponges for my earrings. I haven't even told you guys yet. Loki's starting a business, sort of, on Etsy. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok. It's Mackenzie's Creations, but Creations is spelled with a K. And I'm making pommer plate earrings. So this is something to do with me making them. I got a lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. I wear it every single time I wear like my full face of makeup. It's the Sexy Mother Pucker plumping lip gloss in Nude Star. I have a feeling these two boxes are also not mine. This is a rug. I think it's my stepdad ordered it. This box is completely like smashed in. I have no idea what's in here though. Next, I think this is also from my stepdad's purchasing. It's an all-purpose tray. Woo, yeah. Now I'm gonna take these boxes and all of my stepdad's stuff into the garage. I'm also gonna start a load of laundry while I'm back there. It is currently 10:57 and Harper is in my room. She's making something that I can't look at and you guys can't look at till she's done. Y'all, perfect timing. She has made her craft. What is it? Show us. Show everybody.
I made a chocolate chip cookie right here, and there's some lines, and I made an upside down H.
Oh.
And I did some lines right here and some, what are these?
Circles? Ovals? Arc?
I don't know.
Okay, we don't know, but it looks beautiful. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, show them your new shoes.
So these are my new shoes, and when I stomp,
Wow.
like,
yeah. I am sitting down to edit the rest of yesterday's vlog so I can get that uploaded soon and then go about my day. I actually been wanting to do some baking because I was scrolling on Pinterest in one of my classes and I saw like a lot of like keto desserts and they just look so good. I know they're probably not going to taste as good as they look, but I just want to try them. So I might be baking today, which is not usual for me. The video is processing to upload right now. So while that's processing, I'm looking at Pinterest to see what recipes I want to make. I know for sure of this keto brownie that I saw the other day, so I'm gonna print that, and then I may or may not make something else as well. I have two recipes printed off, the brownie one and then a no-bake cookie one. I'm gonna start off with the brownie one because this one has to bake, obviously, so that's gonna take longer. So let's get to it. Okay, here are the brownies and they are ready to go in the oven. Don't want to burn myself. Okay. I honestly don't have high expectations for any of these, but I just tasted the batter on that and it honestly was not that bad. So now I'm kind of excited. Now that those are in the oven, I'm gonna wash out my bowl and then get started on the no-bakes. Okay, here are the no-bakes. They're not looking very cute, but I'm about to pop these in the freezer. Here are the brownies. They have about 4 minutes left and it smells really good actually. Into the freezer these go on top of the fireball. Oh gosh, she's hot. Ooh, okay, here they are. They're very dark. I'm doing a recipe with Cool Whip now, except this Cool Whip recipe didn't actually have like a recipe. It just said like the Cool Whip, sugar-free pudding, and chocolate chips. It was supposed to taste like cookie dough. I tried to find another one to see if I'm like actually supposed to use the whole packet because I didn't think so. And one said like half the packet. So I'm gonna do about half the packet. I don't know how well I mixed that, but Cool Whip is good on its own. So I don't think it really matters. And then chocolate chips. Now this is supposed to sit in the freezer, but I do want to try it. Okay, it's good. It's just like super sweet. I mean, everything I'm using is sugar-free, but I just think the Cool Whip is really sweet on its own. And then adding the pudding and the chocolate chips really sweetened it a lot. I'm gonna let Harper lick the spoon though. Baby, do you wanna lick the spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's vanilla pudding mix with Cool Whip.
Look, I'm making this cool color and it's turning out super
Oh, it's
good.
like a pretty pink.
And pretty purple.
I could try it. Is it good or bad?
Silly.
What? Does it taste good or it taste bad?
It tastes silly.
That makes no sense.
It's
Okay. All right, into the freezer this goes, and those are looking nice. I just printed off another recipe because I wanted to do another peanut butter one because at first I had printed one and I didn't have one of the ingredients. So I'm doing something else, but it's still peanut butter related because I love peanut butter. So I'm doing 3-ingredient keto peanut butter cookies. Here are my not so glamorous peanut butter cookies, and they are going in for I think 10 to 15 minutes. Don't burn myself. I actually already have all my dishes in here, and I just need to like put that stuff away and wipe down the counter. The alarm for the cookies went off, but it was 10 to 15 minutes. I don't really know if they're done yet, so I'm just gonna let them sit in there for like another minute while I figure out what I want to eat. I do have my leftover like burger. I also had a side of olives. Burger bowl, I don't know, from yesterday. They're the peanut butter cookies. I just took them out and they look and smell really good. I changed my mind. The burger bowl thing is not really hitting, so I'm actually gonna make something else. It's really quick and easy. I have a keto low carb tortilla, and then I spread some whipped cream cheese on it because whipped is so much easier to spread. And then I put a couple pieces of ham on it, and then I do everything but the bagel seasoning. Then I just roll it up and put some butter on a pan, and then I just kind of toast it on each side, and boom. My dad is actually on his way to pick up Harper, so I just yelled at her to, not yell, shouted from another room to tell her to pick up. How's picking up going?
good.
Gosh. A lot going on in here. Harper has left and I took a little break to charge my camera. But I have all my desserts here except for the Cool Whip one, and I have tried them because like I said, my camera was charging and I was impatient. So let me just give you my little review. Okay, the no bake is not the best thing I ever had. I think it would be good if the recipe called for sugar, but it didn't. It only called for 4 drops of stevia, and that stevia was not working. The peanut butter cookie like doesn't taste weird. Like it doesn't taste like I'm eating something keto necessarily. It tastes kind of good. Like the only thing that really gives it away is like the cooling effect that the sweetener has. Now for the brownie, I didn't think it was gonna be good, and then it tasted the batter and I was like, oh, that's gonna be good. And then after looking at it, I was like, not gonna be good. But after trying it, I'm eating out of the pan because I'm the only one here. It's actually kind of good. Also featuring a childhood fork of mine that has a Cinderella on it. Okay, I have the Cool Whip, and this, I don't know if it's supposed to stay in the freezer or if I was like supposed to take it out at some point. I don't know, but let's see. Oh, it's good. Okay, ready? It's like literally like the same consistency and everything as it was whenever I mixed it, so it didn't like solidify really at all. Instead of the chocolate chips though, if I were to make this again, I would cut up like sugar-free Reese's or something, and I think that might be a little better than like a crunchy chocolate chip, because it's just like, the chocolate chip is frozen. Like the Cool Whip isn't, but the chocolate chip is, and so it's kind of weird. I'm so annoyed because I brought my, I made one of those like snap carts for like delivery drivers, and I brought it in last night so I could like restock it, and I haven't put it back out yet, and I've gotten 2 different, you know, deliveries today, and it hasn't been outside. This is what I ordered from Ulta, and I didn't buy anything like for fun. This was all just like restocks of stuff that I use. I just didn't feel like going in Ulta in Stillwater, so I just ordered it, and I got free shipping anyways. I got 2 toners. I used the glycolic acid one, but sometimes like if I have a cut or anything, or if like my skin's sensitive that day, that one is just like too intense for it. So I always like to have like another toner. So I'm trying out the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This is the Tula face wash. I've used it before and I just wanted to use it again because it's a good one. The Ordinary Aloe Serum. And then my current go-to foundation is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I just realized I was running out of mine, so I went ahead and bought a new one. I definitely just ate too much of like my desserts because I was trying them all, so I was having like double of what I like should have. So I regret that. My uncle takes out the trash for us. He takes it out like every day, so I haven't like really ever had to do it, and here I am taking out the trash. Okay, that sounded bad. It's not like I've never taken out the trash before, but since my uncle has moved in, he like kind of took that upon himself as like his chore. So since he's moved in here, I haven't really had to do it. Y'all should be proud though. I've been keeping up with the laundry all day. After I switch this next load into the dryer, I'm actually done with all the loads I was gonna do. All right, y'all, we are in for a much needed update time. So it's been a couple hours. I ended up sitting on the couch and I was gonna do my homework, and then I fell asleep for like 30 minutes maybe or something like that. And then I woke up and I was like, ugh. And so I did my homework assignment, which is super easy, and it didn't take me nearly as long as I thought it would. And then I had been wanting to go to Sprouts because we've been out of a couple things, or like almost out of some things. And then I used all of my peanut butter today, so I really needed to go to get my peanut butter. Keep my super cute Sprouts bag that I got for my birthday from Janelda, because literally I had complained on a vlog about the fact that Sprouts charges you for bags now. And she found that and she bought it for me, and it's so cute. It is so durable, like it's not breaking, and I literally will stuff that thing to the max with all my groceries from Sprouts, and it is amazing. First, we have 3 Olipop, which of course are like super popular right now, but I hadn't tried them yet. But me and my mom have been trying them because they're not like necessarily like low carb, but we just like split one and we usually don't even finish it, and it's fine. This is my favorite drink to get from Sprouts. It's the Suja Lemon Love, and it's purified water, lemon, stevia, and cayenne. Like I said, I was out of peanut butter, and they didn't even have the one, my favorite, which is why I go to Sprouts. It's because it has my favorite peanut butter. I think it's like the unsweetened one. They didn't have it, so I had to get this unsweetened and unsalted one, but it's fine. I got another tub of cottage cheese. These are really good. They're kind of like a little bit of like a Snickers-y vibe, but a lot better for you. We were out of green grapes and I was tired of it, so I got some more. 2 packs of these Brie Bites. I eat them. I get a Brie Bite and then I get like 5 grapes and eat them together, and it's actually so bomb. And then I was kind of in the mood for some hard-boiled eggs, so I just got this little tiny 2-pack because I used to get like their big bags, but I never finished them, so I just got this little 2-pack, and that's all I got. It was a super quick trip, which it usually is, because I don't go like full-on grocery shopping at Sprouts. There's just certain things that we like to get there. All right, I'm having like a little dilemma in my mind right now because there's still like things that I want to do. Like I wanted to wash my white shoes. I need to hand wash the pans that I used. I feel like I could like clean my room or something. Like I feel like there's like still more I could like do, like reorganize the pantry. I don't know. But all I want to do right now is just like sit on the couch and chill. Watch my show, do my word search, maybe edit this vlog, or like at least put the footage into iMovie or something. It's like, which route do I want to go down? First, I think I'm going to make myself like a little light dinner because my stomach is still kind of upset from eating so much of like all my little desserts earlier. And I did just eat lunch at like 3, so that's not that long ago, is it? I literally only have 2 minutes left of room on this memory card, so that's lit. And I want to make this thing that I always have my mom make for me. She calls it a keto hot pocket, which I don't really get like why it's called a hot pocket, but it's pretty good. Here is my dinner, the little Hot Pocket. While I was waiting for that to cook in the air fryer, I was doing a word search and watching my show, and the vibes are good. I'm on season 17 of NCIS. All right, you guys, I sat here and did exactly what I set out to do. I ate my food, and I chilled and watched the show and did my word search, and then I eventually got on, transferred the clips to iMovie, and I actually started editing. It's 10:18, and I wanted to like get up and shower and get to bed like kind of earlier than now, but I wasn't like in the grind of the editing and didn't stop. But I'm stopping now because I'm tired and I know I'm gonna not want to wake up in the morning. So I'm gonna get up and shower now. So since that's all I'm doing, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I had a really good day of like baking and stuff, and which is not normal for me, but everybody comes back tomorrow, so my little like happiness living on my own is going to be ending very soon, but that's okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.